guys, if you can see this one guys, yeah, di mo akalain if that one is a pepino or avocado. This one is the small avocado, cocktail avocado. Look at that guys. Yeah, liliit siya, no? Para siyang ubas na pepino na what is. Yes guys, and this one is avocado, Turkey avocado. So nice. Too small. It's my first time to see this guys. Ayan. Tinry ko yung isa guys, is same as taste niya, avocado talaga guys. At